Hey YouTube, I wanted to show you my new laundry room space with some organizational hacks. It was time to purge, so this is my new space. I needed somewhere to store laundry, to separate them, because look at this mess. It was every week, this same old crap, separating clothes on the floor. So this little stand I found in the garage and I drug in here. I'm all about repurposing things. Actually, most of the things that I have showing were things that I had already purchased. I did purchase nothing for this. These, I just went ahead and purchased all of our crap because we didn't need it. And first of all, when you go minimal, it's easier to keep things clean. So I got rid of all kinds of stuff that were here from when we moved. And I don't use most of these chemicals because we use our essential oils to clean. If you're interested in learning about how to make your own cleaning chemicals, there's other videos in my playlist. So I kept pared down to the bare minimum. As you can see now, to store soap, I use unexpected cute things. This is a drink dispenser I got from Target. I'm just adding the whole gallon of soap in there. That is the last thing that I have to use to go clean green, is to get rid of our soap, but we're still using commercial soap. So in another video, I'm going to show you how to make a dispenser that goes from that container to your washing machine. So these little baskets here are soft with a hard metal edge, and I bought those from Target. They were on sale, and I'm using those for storage to separate things. Plus I had this leftover curtain that we had not used. And so, you know the bar that hangs from your metal racks? Well, it comes off and it fits curtains perfectly. And I use that to hide all of the baskets with the dirty clothes. So here you see I just tied a little tie off to dress it up a little bit and add a little blouse to the curtain. But when you're putting together your room, I always want you to think of cute and functional. So like these boxes here come from IKEA. They separate all the crap like tools and batteries, pens, things that we're always looking for that got messed up in a junk drawer. So separate them, it can help you keep it organized. That dog food container is actually a drink dispenser I got from Walmart. I just added the jute string and the chalkboard, and then the soap I showed you before. That soap dispenser there, by the way, I added a little clip on the side to hang the measuring cup. However, of course the residuals pour out, as you'll see here. So I'm going to show you how to make a tube dispenser that goes all the way to your washing machine. Those are my Ecloths. I have a review of those. They're awesome. You guys got to get some. So most of the decorations you see here, like the laundry sign, the sign hanging on the wall, the pictures all come from Hobby Lobby, and you can get 50% off coupons. They're always running specials on their decor. I also have a hanging rod for my mop. There's my Mop-nado. I also have a review on that also. That thing is pretty darn cool. So I put a hiding spot for it on this shelf in here. The plastic bins come from Target. That separates all of our art supplies, since the kids were always finding them and digging them out, spreading them everywhere. So I kind of want to conceal them so I have control over it. Here's where I will separate all of our clothes, light starts. These baskets are pretty doggone huge. Like that one right there has about 4 pillows stuffed down in it that need to be washed. So they're great for holding a good volume of clothes. Join me next time because I'll be painting cabinets. I'm going to actually hang a new chandelier in this room, and it's all about dolling things up. And you got to spend a lot of time in a small space. You want to make it pleasant so you don't mind being in there. There it goes, that incandescent light. I'm going to take that down. I'm going to repaint the ceiling and we'll be good to go. So that's our new storage area. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know what you use to organize your small space. And like, share, and subscribe with your friends. Let me know what you want to see next on Mom Saving Grace. And thank you for being with me today.